to another video. Today we have the deal of the day from Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we go, here's the main page of Home Depot. Special offers, and then special buy of the day. You got the timer there on the right. So you can choose automotive tools, combo kits, hand tools, accessories. We're just going to go over real quick what's up here. So we got some jacks here. It's a 5,000 capacity portable car lift, 1,150. And then we got so forth. We got a look like a post lift, 2,000. This is not bad, 2,250. Motorcycle lift, 468. Some more lifts here. The two post. Oh, these are really nice. Yeah, these are really nice. 3,299. And we got some power built 23-piece U joints service kit and 192. Double flaring tool kit 27. Power steering pump pulley 28. And then we got a power built torque wrench, $38.98. Got some gear pullers, brake service kit 106, coil compressor kit 38. These are very nice, especially if you guys do 4x4 suspension work. This is it right here. This is the stuff you're gonna need. Power built axle nut socket kit 3553. Power built front end service kit 9437. Got a Crossbit toolbox, $4.99. Got a bottle jack, $34.49. 20-ton bottle jack, $55.99. Then some more over here, 2-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $95. Alright, you got evaporative cooler, 1,160, and you got digital inspection, 216. What is this? Looks like a robot. Remote controlled RV trailer mover. Oh, so it's a mover, yeah. Wow, they even have these? Didn't know they existed. So 1,080. We got some chargers and engine starters. 10 amp 12 volt rapid battery charger with service, $44.99. Got a 6 volt 12 volt automotive battery charger, $59.99. We got another one there. We got a portable battery charger here, or battery charger, $57.99. 12 volt wheel automotive battery charger, $109. $12.99 for this trickle charger. Got a portable jump starter, $29.99. Here's another one, $49.99. Flashlight there. We got a Whistler color inspection camera, $126. Crankshaft holding tool for Honda Acura. Bushing remover, $79.97. Alright. Combo kit. So we're to Milwaukee now. We got Milwaukee M12 12 volt lithium ion cordless grease gun with SC kit. And then you get the reciprocating saw, $179. You got the grease gun plus the lights, $179. You got impact driver drill driver plus the free battery, $185. So they did drop this down, guys. I believe it's $199 at the store. And now here at the online they dropped it down to $185. You got the 32. We saw this last time. The 32 combo kit for $199. Same thing with these. We saw all these last time, so I'm not gonna go over them. And this one was a good deal. So if you're in the Ryobi platform, you need a ratchet and an impact. You got the 32 combo kit right here for $199. The Ridgid. They're gonna start clearing these out, so just FYI. You got M18 fuel, 18 volt lithium cordless combo kit, $469. So I believe this is $4.99 at the store, or was $4.99. They dropped it down to $4.69 with the free 5. You got the reciprocating saw, impact drill driver, and 2 batteries. And charger and bag, you get an extra 5. We saw that last time. Most of these we saw them. We saw these last time. All right, here was where we're starting to get the good deals here. You got the Milwaukee M18 brushless, cordless, half-inch impact wrench. Plus you get the polisher. You got the impact wrench, friction ring, 7-inch variable speed polisher. $359. So this by itself, if you're paying like $250 just by itself. So you're saving some money here. You're getting a good deal on these. Definitely check it out. Let's see here. I just wanted to check. Alright, you get the impact driver and you get a free battery. $389 in the case. So these do come in the case. And then you get the impact half-inch high torque impact driver, $389. You get or impact wrench, and then you can get a free impact driver. This is already sold out. You got the Dewalt mechanics tool set, $169, 156 piece. You got the 3/8 SAE metric ratchet socket mechanics tool set, $109. You got the hole dozer bimetal 20 piece, $99. Saw demolition and wood metal cutting, $33.97. You got the Shockwave impact duty steel alloy steel driver bit set, $29.97. It's a good deal. Get about $15 a piece. Not bad. M12 12-volt lithium cordless 1000 lumen rubber light, $69 with the free 2, I believe. Let's check out if it's a free tool. Yeah, it's a 2. So definitely check it out. It's a great deal. So you're getting basically that for free. Got a torch light there, Matt, $109. We saw this last time. We saw all these deals last time. So if you guys need any of these deals, make sure you guys check them out. They're on special buy of the day today. You got some ladders here. Low fill ladder, 6 feet, fiberglass. So this is for your electrician. That's why they're fiberglass. Because if it touches anything, you know, it's not going to go up. Electricity is not going to follow. So 375 pounds. Capacity 203. Then we have another 6 feet here, a twin step. So you can step on both sides, $289. Got a 12 feet higher reach, $217. You got a 3 feet step ladder. Oh, this is actually cheaper. You got the 6 feet over here, and then you got the 6. Oh yeah, hold on. Oh yeah, you can make this 12 feet. You can stretch it out. That's the difference. This is just like a tripod or a dual pod. Alright, we got some lamps there, some washers. That's it, guys. Basically, the best deals I would say is this light, this little kit here. Some of the Ryobis are good too. Yeah, this is probably your best bet here. Definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals here. Let me see if, yeah, this is a good deal too. It's down $30. Yep. These are good too if you're in the mechanics, if you're doing a lot of greasing and stuff like that. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.